and I'll just wait. There is an army helicopter right above me. It's totally normal here in Israel. They patrol a lot. I'm sure you're aware of the political situation here. I'm just back from DJing in Norway. I had one day to get a couple of things in the studio done and to unpack and pack again. This time I had a lot of fun packing. It's only shirts and shorts. I'm not even taking a jacket with me. I hope I'm not being too optimistic. No, I'm not. The weather in Israel looks just perfect.
Two hands, but nothing to keep for you, for you, for you, for you. Moonlight, as you go, it's too bright to start a war. Soon I'll be alone.
It's really nice to have this train. I'm at the airport in just 8 minutes.
In the dark.
I'm flying with the cheapest airline possible and their gate is really far away.
Oh, till the sun is coming up. Oh, till a new dawning. A new dawning.
I'm now in Istanbul. Worst flight ever. If you follow me on Snapchat, you will know why. Now trying to get my connection flight. Security took forever. I got myself some snacks. Now I'm really late. Bye. Just landed in Tel Aviv. Getting through immigration in Israel takes really long. Now I'm waiting for my suitcase. Now waiting here already 20 minutes. Still waiting and the belt just stopped. Okay, my bag just got lost. I'm now getting a cab. I don't have a suitcase. Okay. Shalom. Lebat Yam. I finally arrived. It's now almost midnight local time and I'm sure my grandma prepared me something to eat. It's the next day. I actually intended spending it here at the beach. Now I have to buy a toothbrush and toothpaste and probably wait for the rest of the day. I got myself now the toothbrush and toothpaste and a little snack. I'm now back at my grandmother's place and while I'm waiting for the suitcase, let me show you something. So in this old picture you can see in the middle my grandma and right next to her my mom when she was a kid and at the bottom my two uncles. And at the very right is my grandfather that I actually never met. He died defending this country during the 6-Day War and my grandmother was left alone here. This is my grandmother. And she deserves the highest respect. She had to raise 3 children during a time that was tough in a country that is still up to date, really tough. She has 11 grandchildren and 9 grandchildren. It's now 9:20. I've spent the day with my grandmother catching up. I haven't seen her in almost a year. Now I'm writing emails. I have to catch up on all of these business things I didn't take care of in the past couple of days where I was traveling a lot. Even on vacations, there is just no way around it. And as you might already probably guessed by the color of the shirt, I'm still waiting for my suitcase. Yeah. Finally got all of my stuff back, my sunglasses, my shirt, my shorts and the flip-flops. And now with 1 day of delay, I'm finally at the beach. So being here in Israel, especially at this beach, here where all the rocks cover the sea for the children, makes me always feel like coming back home and very nostalgic. This is the place where I used to play as a little kid. And here on the other side you have the open sea with the guard tower. They tend to scream a lot, especially when people go out too far. The sea can be pretty rough from time to time, but today it's actually a really quiet day. And I will spend the rest of the day laying at the beach and enjoying my first real vacation day.
Wherever I am, whoever you are, you kindle the light on my soul. It's all about love.
3 hours is enough for me at the beach. I get bored very easily. Now getting myself the usual after beach treat.
Wherever I am, whoever you are, you kindle the light on my soul. It's all about love.
They just have the best iced coffee. It was so good. I'm now on my way to get a second one. Right behind me is the main street where I got the coffee. This is the city center. It's nothing really special, but Yam is a pretty small town. It's very close to Tel Aviv and they're actually almost grown together. Israel has a slight street cat problem, which is kind of adorable. Back at my grandmother's place, just to pick up my computer. I'm back at the beach. I've been selecting the first couple of tracks for my new mixtape while I was watching the sunset. I'm almost back. I couldn't resist to get me another snack. And just look how the people here in Israel park. Like, my grandmother cooked yesterday a really nice dinner. My mom also joined us. It's now Friday afternoon. We're headed to Tel Aviv.
Wherever I am, whoever you are, you kindle the light on my soul. It's all about love.
This hotel is really amazing. Can't wait to see the room. It's really amazing, but the thing that is really killing it for me is the view over the entirety of Tel Aviv. I mean, just look at this.
It's all about love.
Market. It's pure chaos, but today actually not that full. It's already pretty late.
Wherever I am, whoever you are, you kindle the light on my soul. It's all about love. Wherever I am, whoever you are, you kindle the light.
Right behind me is the Independence Hall. That's where the State of Israel was declared, and it's really loud here. The garbage truck just arrived. Now on the way back to the beach. I'm back from the beach, and this morning I got another one of Vanessa's messages. She's now in Mauritius.
Guten Morgen, Jonathan. Wir hatten gerade Frühstück mit dieser Kulisse hier im Hintergrund. Ich glaube, schöner kann man ja nicht frühstücken. Gleich gehen wir wieder Glasbodenboot fahren. Ich hoffe, wir sehen ein paar Haie. Nachher gehen wir nochmal paddeln, schnorcheln und ja, ich melde mich dann später nochmal bei dir. Ciao!
Okay guys, I'm all ready for Passover. That's the main reason why I'm here. My uncle was so kind and generous to invite us all over. Pesach is basically having really good dinner and at least 4 glasses of wine. Okay, I'm now on my way back. I'm joining my grandmother for dinner. She cooked and her food is just the best.
Hi guys!
My mama will also... I just got photobombed.